This is where chemistry completely changes the story. Different raw chemicals are carefully combined under precise conditions to create a new material called PET. It's lightweight, incredibly strong, crystal clear, and safe for food and beverages, making it one of the most important plastics ever invented. At this stage, PET still doesn't look anything like a bottle. Instead, it's produced as thousands of tiny plastic pellets. They may seem ordinary, but every plastic bottle you've ever used once started as one of these tiny granules. The pellets have now been melted into a thick liquid. Under enormous pressure, the molten plastic is injected into precision steel molds, creating something known as a preform. It may look nothing like a bottle, but every PET bottle begins with this simple shape. These preforms are now solid. But before they can become bottles, they must be heated once again. Too little heat and they won't expand. Too much and they'll lose their strength. Every degree matters. This is the moment everything changes. High-pressure compressed air rushes inside the heated preform, stretching it in every direction until it perfectly matches the shape of the mold. In just a fraction of a second, a complete plastic bottle is born. Even the tiniest defect can weaken a bottle or make it unsuitable for use. That's why every single bottle is inspected by high-speed cameras and intelligent sensors. If even the smallest flaw is detected, it's automatically removed from the production line. The manufacturing process is finally complete, but the bottle's journey is only halfway over. Now begins another enormous operation, delivering millions of bottles safely to stores across the country. Most people never think about what happens after a bottle leaves the factory. But behind every supermarket shelf is a massive logistics network, working around the clock to make sure products arrive exactly where they're needed. After traveling hundreds or sometimes even thousands of kilometers, the bottle finally reaches its destination. Now it simply waits for someone to pick it up. This is the only part of the journey most of us ever see. We buy the bottle, drink from it, and usually throw it away without giving it another thought. But in reality, its story isn't over yet. Instead of becoming waste, this bottle has another opportunity. Advanced recycling systems identify it, separate it, and recover the valuable PET material, giving it the chance to begin a brand new life. After being cleaned, shredded, melted, and purified, the old bottle becomes brand new plastic pellets once again. It's one of the best examples of how modern engineering can transform waste into a valuable resource. So the next time you hold a simple plastic bottle, remember what it really represents: a journey through chemistry, precision engineering, global logistics, and modern recycling. What seems ordinary at first glance is actually one of the most remarkable manufacturing journeys happening around us every single day.